One of the easy methods to graph the first degree equation is the intercept methods. You set x equal to 0 and you solve these equations, you find that y is equal to -4. So I get x-intercept. And if I set y0, I get the 6, 0 is x-intercept. And connect the lines, we get the graph of these equations. Two special cases when the x or the y is missing, and I get a horizontal line for y equal to something and the vertical line x equal to something. In these two cases, we get to solve for the y. If I solve for the y, then I can put this into a function form, where x treat as input, y as the output. This form is called the slope-intercept form. Okay, and so, for example, this equation, this I solve for the y, then this is the slope, and this is the y-intercept. In this second equation, I solve for the y, then I can pretend the slope x is there, the slope therefore is 0. This one, the slope is undefined because this you cannot solve for y. And geometrically, and this is the what the slope is. How it's calculated. Suppose I know two locations and I want to find the slope of the line through that locations. I take in the numerator the difference in the height, divide by the difference in the round. Okay, so this is the slope formula. Usually these problems immediately follow with the problem of solving for finding the equations or finding the functions for a line. So what we need in this case is the slope and the point, and we plug into this formula. So for example, if I know the slope is -2, and then the point over here is 0, 3, then I can plug this into formulas, and then I get this is the equations for the line, and that's the graph. And this one, we connect the 2 points, and this is the pictures, and calculate the slope, subtract the y, divide, subtract by the x, then I got a slope, and I put a point, and then I got the equations. This one is a vertical line. It does not have it's not a function, so it doesn't have a function form. One of the most important facts about slopes, parallel lines have same slope, and slope of perpendicular lines are the negative reciprocal of each other. And it's very important in physics to find the perpendicular line. And so here we have an example where we find the slope of the line first, then reciprocate it, find the perpendicular location, and then put in the point slope formula to get the answers. Okay, and that's it. Bye-bye.